My name's Brian. I'm a production manager here at First Response. I've been here a little over 2 years now, and been in this business for 10 plus years. Started out with construction and then got into the remediation side of the business. A lot of the things that are taught to us here for the business, we are able to use in our personal lives as well, and I think that's the most important part of this that I really have taken to and have really enjoyed. And one of the things that I've learned through BSG is to take responsibility for everything that we do, all our actions, everything that takes place within this company. We take it personal. We do not put blame on anything else. Now, we will learn from it, and if someone has done something that maybe was not right, we use it as a learning experience instead of using it, putting blame on that person or whatever they did.